Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Daily Charm subscription box. Now we just received July's box, but the box that I'm going to actually unbox today is the May box. And there are quite a few items that are still available on the Daily Charm website. I did link everything in the description below in case you wanted to purchase any of those items. If you already know what's in the box and you want to skip ahead, you can go to 5 minutes and 28 seconds, and that is when the nail video actually starts. Every box is neatly packaged and it comes with the cute confetti, as you can see, and it's appropriately themed, as well as the card that I showed earlier. It does have nail inspo pictures on it, as well as a description of everything that's in the box. So the first thing out the box was the magnetic cylinder wand. So that's making me think maybe we're getting some cat eye polish, but stay tuned. And the next thing was the silicone floral mold. So in case you don't have those cute little flowers that are on trend right now, you're able to make your own using gel polish. The next thing is this white floral lace. And this is one of the items that I am using in today's video. I just wanted to show you all the intricate details against that black background. That lace was stunning. The next thing are these raised pink pastel hearts. These are so cute. These are still available on the website if you like to order those. The next things are these white peony stickers. If you are not an artist, I say it all the time, the easiest thing to use is going to be foil, it's going to be stickers, and it's going to be glitter. Next, we had these white half pearls. These were so cute and they came in varying sizes. I did use these in a nail set today. Unfortunately, these are no longer available on the website. The next item is the gold nail foil, which should be a staple in everyone's supplies, whether you're a DIY, nail enthusiast, or a nail tech. Okay, these were so cute. These are Daily Charm Zircon Marquise wings, are what they're called. They have the curved back so that they'll fit nicely on the nails. And I appreciate the fact that they gave you two. The next item are these Ornate mixed studs. They have some hearts and they're like rounded picture frames. They come in rose gold and gold. The next item are these pearl roses and they're pastel colored. So I think it was red and pink and blue and green. These were so cute. I actually used these in the nail set today. The next item were these ultra mini studs. Careful when you open these up because they go everywhere. The next item is glitter. I love me some glitter. And unfortunately, this one, something blue, is no longer available. But this Holo Twinkle Flash glitter is available. It comes in a set of 12. The next item are these Twinkle Twinkle Rhinestone shapes in clear. They come in 10 different shapes. Unfortunately, these are sold out, but keep an eye, they may come back. And they do come in all different colors, so take a look at the website. I did see that they were offering some packs on sale. So you may want to run over and check those out. Daily Charm does have beautiful rhinestones. They're just as good as the other brands that they sell on their website. The next item is C12 Kitty. It is a cat eye. It is a light pink rosy color. And then this one is Irish Cream. It is J26. It is a jelly. So you can use it in one coat if you want it more transparent, or you can add additional coats for opacity. The next couple of items are bonus items. These were the rose hair clips and rose hand mirror. Those clips were so cute. I can imagine someone who's getting married actually using those in their hair. And then the last thing was the rainbow hair ties, and those were bonus ones as well. And the last item out was this Pink Heart paint palette, which is no longer available, unfortunately, but I did appreciate the fact that it was adjustable so that even if you have larger size hands, you're still able to adjust it to your finger size. All right, so let's get into the video. The nails that I'm using are already prepped and they do have a base coat on them. So the first thing that I'm doing is going in with a very thin layer of the J26 Irish Cream that came in the May box. Sometimes when I am using the jelly and the transparent colors, they are a little, I'm not going to say difficult to work with, but sometimes they don't go on very evenly. But this one did not really give me that hard of a time. I did go in with 3 layers of this to get the right opacity. I did cure for 60 seconds in between each layer. So this is the first time I think that I am going in and actually using like a press on method to do the nail sets. Usually I'm doing them on my own hand. I can't even remember why I actually did it this way, but I'm kind of glad that I did because it gave me another chance to practice doing the Frenches and not having them on my hand. It was a little bit easier, but I still have to work on it. So my method, and it works for me, is I swoop down from one side to the middle. I swoop down from the other side to the middle. And if I need to go back in, I'll just keep swooping from each side until I get it into the shape that I need. And I will go in and clean it up with a little acetone on a brush. And then I just paint in the sides. So I put the French on the ring finger and also on the pointer finger. The pointer finger, I did do that one off camera to keep the length of the video down. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm going to draw a curved, if you will, line down one side of the nail, going from the middle of the nail down to that lower left corner. And then I'm going to go up to the right top of the nail and bring another, if you will, curvy line down to the left side as well. And then any areas that I need to touch up, I'm going in and making them thicker using the liner brush. And then if I need to correct anything, I'm taking a little bit of acetone and wiping it away. Now, I don't have to worry about being perfect on these nails because I am going to go in with foil as well as some rhinestones, but I did want to get them as clean as possible. So while I'm still trying to paint on the curvy lines, I did want to give a little blurb about the Daily Charm subscription boxes. It already says enough for itself on the box, the cutest nail subscription art box. These are delivered every 2 months. They are season appropriate. They're $49 if you subscribe to the subscription service. You are able to buy the boxes if they are available at $59. Everything in the box goes well together. You can get anything from gel polishes to crystals, to charms, to glitters. Some of the items you receive before they're released to the public. This box is the best. I am not getting paid, nor am I affiliated with Daily Charm, but the truth is the truth, and Daily Charm is the truth. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add the white lace foil to the outside of the white lines. I've already applied the glue gel and cured it in a nail lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to rub it in on either side. And if you just take a look here, you can see that after rubbing it in, it came off perfectly. I can't believe it. A win is a win. I don't know. I think my love-hate relationship with nail foil is coming to an end. Alright, so the last step is just to apply the rhinestones. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I am using the Shapes Clear Twinkle Twinkle Rhinestones from Daily Charm. Also, I'm using the Pastel Roses. So since I've been talking the entire video, I'm going to shut up and let you actually listen to a little bit of music while I'm doing the application of the rhinestones. But before I go, if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you know each and every time I upload a video. Also, if you're enjoying the content, hit the like button, and if you're feeling generous, leave a comment. Okay, so I had to cut back in here just to give this little quick blurb on the bling portion of the nail. I did not know how I was going to attack it. The only thing that I did keep in mind was I knew I needed to keep the larger rhinestones and pearls in the middle of the nail so that it didn't bulk it out, and keep the smaller ones to the outside perimeter of the nail so that it didn't lose its shapes. One of the things that I should have done in this set was added some silver glitter or complementing glitter up under where I was going to put the rhinestones, so that when you look through on the top of the nail, you won't see those brown nude spaces. You would actually see silver, which is going to reflect and make it look like the nail is full of bling. So at this point, I feel like you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing and adding the rhinestones and the pearls, and I'm just reorganizing them so that it makes sense. So to keep the length down of the video, I am going to speed this up. Even though it is already sped up, I'm going to speed it up just a little bit more so that I can get to the next step. So the next thing I'm going to do is add nail glue, and I'm just going to follow the French line from the center rose up to the cuticle area, and I'm adding my rhinestones from largest to smallest. And since I do the same thing on the other side of the nail, I did leave that off camera so that we can go on to the middle nail. For this nail, I wanted to use these rhinestones because I like the shape of them. However, whenever I placed them on the nail, the placement was considerably shorter in length compared to the thumbnail. And I did not really like the way that it was looking, so I did take it off and I decided to use the kites instead. It could be all in my head, but it makes sense to me, so we're just gonna go with it. All right, so the next thing I did was on the ring finger, it just looked very plain up against all the rest of the nails. So I wanted to go in with a couple of more of those roses, and I wanted them to be largest to smallest, going from the middle to the free edge of the nail. And I didn't realize it until after I took it out of the lamp that these were different roses. They're actually color changing. The next thing that I'm doing is just going in with alcohol and wiping off the wax pencil from the rhinestones. It really makes them shine. You can also use acetone. It's not going to hurt them. The last thing that I'm going to do is just sharpen up the free edge with the nail file. And here is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you think about the nails. I really enjoy making this set of press-ons, and I'm pretty sure I'll be doing more in the future. I do have a couple of more videos that I'm going to be releasing this week, so turn on your notifications so that you know each and every time I upload. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.